Here is a statement for high winds. For the following county, Gibson, Indiana, and Wabash, Illinois. High wind warning in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. South winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. The areas affected include portions of southern Illinois, southwest Indiana, western Kentucky, and southeast Missouri. The hazardous conditions are expected until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. The following impacts are expected. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. And now we'll look at your forecast for the Vincennes area. This afternoon,
are expected.
Scattered thunderstorms.
Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.
You're listening to today's public radio on Blazer 91.1 WVUB.